Plum Crostata with burnt butter pastry. Start by placing the butter in a frying pan over medium heat. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the butter begins to foam and is golden brown. Transfer to a small dish, then pop in the fridge for 1.5 hours or until firm. Cut the butter into 2 cm pieces. Pop in the fridge for 5 minutes to firm. Then place in a food processor with 1.5 cups of flour and half the sugar, and process until the mixture resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Add the vinegar and water and process until the dough comes together. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and gently knead until just smooth. Cover with plastic wrap and pop in the fridge for 30 minutes to rest. Next, roll the dough between 2 sheets of baking paper until 3 mm thick and about a 30 cm disc. Transfer to a baking tray and place in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Place the extra butter and the remaining sugar in a bowl and beat with an electric mixer until pale and creamy. Add the egg, brandy or orange juice and orange rind. Beat until creamy. Stir in the hazelnut meal, cinnamon and remaining flour. Remove the pastry from the fridge and set aside for 10 minutes. Spread the hazelnut mixture over the pastry, leaving a 3 cm border around the edge. Arrange the plums over the hazelnut mixture. Fold over the pastry border, pleating as you go. Sprinkle the plums with extra sugar. Place in the oven and reduce the oven temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until golden. Serve the crostata warm, topped with vanilla ice cream.